Hi, welcome to Bartels Harley-Davidson. Did you know that this month, April, is Helmet Awareness Month? I had no idea. I saw it on the internet. Who knew? Hey, and I was on a ride the other day with my brother, and he's actually a Rider Academy instructor here at Bartels Harley-Davidson. And I was, showing him my Harley-Davidson three-quarter helmet, and he made a point to tell me that, Glenn, 75% of all accidents happen in the chin area, which I have no protection of this helmet. So as comfortable as this helmet is, it doesn't really offer me the best protection overall when riding. And there's a lot of stuff when it comes to helmets. For example, you probably have heard that if you drop your helmet, it's no good. I used to think that was a lot of propaganda from the helmet industry to sell more helmets. Turns out it's all true. And, in our Rider Academy here at Bartels Harley-Davidson, we've got a helmet here that demonstrates the percentages of crash areas of where your head, your noggin, is being hit. Top of your head, 0.4%. Pretty safe up there. But, a lot of other regions, the chin, 15%, 19% on the right side versus 15% on the left side. Interesting, right? So just a curious little fact of data that you can accumulate for your riding safety. But what's important here in the month of April, Helmet Safety Awareness Month, is how old is your helmet? Is it 3 to 5 years old? It might be time for a new one. How many times have you put it on your handlebars or your seat and your girlfriend or your wife or whatever knocked it on the ground and you just picked it up and put it back on your noggin? It might not be the safest thing to do. And there's a lot of other things that can break down the structural integrity of your helmet. I'm wearing glasses now, so I look smarter. And basically, when you put this on your motorcycle tank, the fumes from the gasoline can deteriorate the protective lining on the inside. Hair gel, hairspray. I know you don't put hair gel on before going on a ride, but tell your girlfriend. So basically there's a lot of things that over the years are breaking down the internal and external structural integrity of your helmet. And these are important things to keep in mind because your head's probably the most important part of the whole riding process, right? Because without that, you're not going anywhere. So we want to make sure that you're aware of a few of these different things and that if you have the opportunity to come in, trade in that old helmet.
Action.
Hi, welcome to Bartels Harley-Davidson. Did you know that today, well, it's not today, it's all month, April is... All right, cut, take two. We're going to take a beat here while I check my notes. And
Put it on the gas canister.
Say it again.
The gas canister, the gas tank. The vapors break down.
Oh, break down the
Hair gel, hairspray, gas fumes.
Okay, good.
Down over time.
I can't say that. Come in and trade in your old helmet for a special, no, can't say that either.